How to convert BTC to USDT on Bybit mobile app. So if you want to convert BTC to USDT on Bybit mobile app, then in order to do that, first you have to launch your Bybit mobile application and then you have to log into your account. So simply open up your Bybit and make sure to log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you just need to simply tap on the assets option on the bottom right of your screen. Tap on assets and here you're going to see all of these options. You will have your funding account, your unified trading or inverse derivatives, right? So over here you are going to see a bunch of different options as withdraw, deposit, transfer and everything. So in order to convert your BTC to USDT, you will have to tap on convert. Once you tap on convert, now over here by default it will take BTC, right? And in the second section it will take USDT. But in your case, if it is not selected as BTC, then you just need to simply tap on the crypto that is over here. Like you just need to simply go with the drop down and it will take you to this kind of page where you just need to simply select the BTC and then again go with the to option and go with the drop down again and choose the USDT. Once you've chosen these, now on the upper right you will have the account option, so you can simply go with the drop down and then you can choose the funding account, the unified trading account or the inverse derivative account. So I'll be choosing the funding account. Or if you have money in some other accounts, then you can simply choose the other accounts by simply going with the drop down button. Now once you've selected your account, after selecting your account, you just need to simply enter the amount of the BTC that you would like to convert to USDT. So simply tap on the amount option and here you just need to simply go with the amount. So you just need to go with any amount that you have and it will convert to USDT. For this, or for in my case, I don't have the sufficient balance, but if you have the sufficient balance, then you can simply enter the amount and you will be able to convert BTC to USDT in this way. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.